Having trouble seeing your modem in the Spectrum app? You're not alone. This often happens due to a few common reasons. Most frequently, it's a glitch in the app's connection to your account data stemming from outdated information. Other times, it might be a temporary hiccup during the modem activation process or a minor hardware issue. The first and easiest thing to try is the account refresh feature within the Spectrum app. To do this, navigate to the Account section of the app, then tap Refresh Account. This forces the app to grab the latest information from Spectrum servers and often resolves the visibility issue within minutes. If a simple refresh doesn't work, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. These simple solutions resolve the problem for most people, addressing roughly 65% of modem visibility issues immediately without needing further troubleshooting. A crucial concept is the modem activation process. When you set up a new modem, it needs to be properly linked to your Spectrum account via its serial number. You can do this through the Add Equipment section of the Spectrum app. Ensure your modem is powered on, connected to the internet, and registered via the app. If your modem was visible and has disappeared, but account refresh and power cycling don't work, there are a couple more things to check. First, is your Spectrum app up to date? Outdated apps can have glitches. Also, in rare cases, a faulty coaxial cable can prevent the app from recognizing your modem. You can also use the app's Modem Health Check to scan for connectivity issues. If you're still stuck, contact Spectrum support. They can further diagnose the issue. Remember that account issues often are fixed by refreshing account in app, and the main issue is a syncing problem.